Welcome to the Wonder Garden channel, to help you easily care for your orchid pots so they stay lush, thrive, and produce plenty of flower buds. Today I will share a new organic fertilizer recipe. This fertilizer will help your orchids bloom faster, more abundantly, and, most importantly, keep their vibrant beauty on the stem for longer. With a simple method and easily accessible ingredients, you can completely prepare it at home and use it regularly. As a result, your beloved orchid pots will always bloom vibrantly, stay healthy, and showcase their colors year-round. Let's get started. To make this fertilizer, please prepare coffee powder. Coffee not only has natural antibacterial and antiseptic properties, but also contains a lot of potassium, an essential nutrient that helps orchids grow quickly, produce more flowers, and maintain their vivid colors longer. Use 1 tablespoon of coffee powder. Mix it with 500 milliliters of boiled water. Stir well and let it cool completely. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Next, we will use rice. Rice contains many B vitamins and is also rich in potassium, which promotes healthy roots, lush green leaves, and accelerates the flowering process. Use 2 tablespoons of rice. Add them to 500 milliliters of room temperature water. And let it sit until the nutrients from the rice dissolve into the water. Once the coffee water has cooled, filter out the residue, keeping only the clear liquid. Then, add 500 milliliters of clean water to dilute it, and we can use this solution immediately to care for the orchid leaves. The coffee solution will help keep the orchid leaves lush, minimize the growth of fungal diseases and insects, and provide plenty of nutrients directly through the leaves. Apply this method once a week. The first method is to use a soft cloth or cotton pad. Dipped in the solution to gently wipe both the upper and, especially, the lower surfaces of the leaves, where insects often hide. This will make the leaves glossy and greener, and thanks to the natural nitrogen content in coffee, the plant's metabolic processes are enhanced, resulting in healthy green leaves. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Do you have orchids like this one? I bought this orchid at a local store, and just like previous repotting sessions, I completely removed the industrial moss wrapped around its base. Coffee water is an excellent ingredient due to its natural antiseptic and antifungal properties, while also providing potassium to strengthen the roots. Today I will use the coffee water to soak the entire root system of the plant, helping to eliminate harmful bacteria, stimulate new root growth, and prepare the plant for its recovery process. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round.